Hey guys, we're doing the random for Upper Deck Box 3 Hard Club Supreme Hard Club in English. 10:55:57 p.m. Melbourne time. If you end up in spot 12, you will get a bonus that I will email about 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Spot 12 is Kiwi. There you go. Congrats, Kiwi. 10:56:28 p.m. Melbourne time. That goes there. I hate it when they just have glitches. There we go. Save. That's the first part. Now the teams. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. Save that. That one is the bonus. So note for later, and don't forget. And it's complete. And the teams, not teams, the players are Jeff Wiktorski, Clyde Drexler, Stretch Armstrong, Dennis Rodman, Cannon, LeBron James, Jeff Wiktorski, Porzingis, Shane Overend, Vince Carter, Albie with Elgin Baylor and Fun McCurry, Adrian James, Allen Iverson, Stretch Armstrong, Levine, Marcus Alott, Kevin Love, Jeff Wiktorski, Larry Bird, Kiwi with DeMarcus Cousins, Josh Laker, George Gervin, Kiwi with Andrew Wiggins, Bowman with Alonzo Mourning, Albie with Steph Curry, Wiktorski, Cat, Stretch Armstrong, Penny Hardaway, Kiwi, Magic Johnson, Adam Bartley, Markel Fultz, Jeff Wiktorski, Dirk, Garth Manning, Ben Simmons, Stretch Armstrong, Hakeem Olajuwon, and Jamal Murray, Andrew Hunt, Michael Jordan, Jeff Wiktorski, Jerry West, and Dr. J. So let's copy that. Put that here. Time is 10:58:30 p.m. Melbourne time.